Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to my stock car channel. Picked up this car recently. This is it's a new release from Carrera. This is a digital 132 Aston Martin Vantage Gte. It says Aston Martin Racing number 95. So this one just came out. This is a pretty cool car. It's got a nice color on it. I do have one other Aston Martin, the light blue one that came out a long time ago. So this one here will be the second one, and then they're coming out with quite a few of them. I know there's another one coming. They're coming out like I think 2, 3 of them this year. Some different style, different ones, different color ones. Some really nice ones. So we'll have to keep an eye out for those. Probably end up picking them all up. I think I like them all. Did you guys check out the lineup this year for Carrera? Man, it's awesome. There's all kinds of nice cars, and there's more road runners. We got Superbirds, we got Panteras, got racing trucks, all kinds of good stuff going off this year. Real nice lineup for Carrera. So we'll check out this one. This is the Aston Martin Vantage Gte, Carrera Digital 132. It's like a really bright yellow color. Take a look at the top of it. You can see up there it says something up there, AMR. You can see how it's got the gray stripe going down there. Aston Martin Racing on the wing there. See the hood? Check out the hood. Got the red trim there with the black on the inside here, the way it's like that. Like a hood scoop on there. The way it's designed, see how it's cut out like that? That's pretty sweet. I'll take a look at it from the side. It's got the black rims on it. Some orange trim there in the mirrors, looks like. You can see the rotors in there. Check out those rims, those are pretty nice. Pro 95 Sky. Waldorf Astoria Hotels and Resorts. Hackett on the back, London right here. Got a little orange trim going on. Let's see the driver here. Looks like he's got a yellow and green suit on with matching helmet. See him in there? That's pretty nice. They're showing 3 drivers on this car, guys. First one there, it looks like Sorensen, Thyme, and Turner. Let's see if we can see those names in there. Take a look at the front of this one. Oh, moved too fast. Here we go. Aston Martin, Vantage Gte. They haven't come out with these in a while, I don't think. See how that front end looks there? So it's got that gray, runs all the way through that line right there. Got your advertising tag. Got the 95 up there. The flag over there. Check out the grill, style that grill. It's a nice looking car. See the windshield right there, or the windshield wiper right there in the middle goes across. Aston Martin Racing. Aston Martin Racing there. So I gotta get some tires for this one. We'll see how this one sticks right now without them. It's not too bad, see. That's how you can tell how a car basically is. Put it on the track, see if it moves any. You know, it's going to get some. It looks like it's going to stick pretty good with just these regular tires, and we'll get some silicone or urethane on there, and we'll get some maximum grip. So let's check it out from the side. I like the way they did this down here. Alright, check out the back end of that car. It's pretty nice looking from the rear too. It's a good looking all around car. Wonder why you never see these on the road. Well, you're not going to see them here in Michigan, that's for sure. We got the worst roads in the whole United States here. The roads here are an absolute joke. You guys don't know that, don't live in Michigan. I mean, they're so bad. Everywhere you go, they're all just beat up and broke up, big potholes and stuff everywhere. Worse than the United States. So, but you're never going to see one of these cars out there. Now around here, see how it's got that Aston Martin race underneath there. So it's got this down here. It's got the lights on that. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's what it looks like underneath. Brand spanking. So why don't we put this one on the track first time? Let's turn the power on here. Oh, power was already on. Oh, wrong one, wrong one. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Let's see what the lights look like on this car. And we'll fire this one up and hear what it sounds like first time. Wow. Wow, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Man, that's killer fast, guys. Man, this thing's really strong, you can tell. Yeah, that's a bad boy, man. That thing's nice. So that's it, guys. Carrera's new Aston Martin Vantage Gte. Number 95 car. So I can't wait to put that one on the track, which is going to be happening real soon. So let's see what that looks like with the Mustangs. See how it looks like up against a Mustang. So yeah, those will look good running together in the Mustang. The Mustangs and the Aston Martin together, they'll look real nice. Alright, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.